Hello everyone. So welcome back to our live session. I'm Mohammad Shoaib, fourth year medical student. So today we are with students of Mari State University. So as we all know, that the pandemic situation has created a lot of chaos across the globe. So it has taken a lot of lives, and also it created a lot of distractions in this situation. So talking about this, in this pandemic situation, we had quarantine and other public places were shut down due to control the spread of the COVID-19 virus. So that's why today our interesting topic is like how students of medical study their course during this pandemic situation, because we can't stop our education, right? Because we are medical students, and at this time, due to like such a pandemic situation, it cannot be stopped. So I know that we all are like enrolled into distance learning program. So yes, today we will discuss about that. Okay. So yes, first, how this pandemic situation has opened the doorway for your online education. Yes.
गुड मॉर्निंग। मैं हर्षित मारी स्टेट यूनिवर्सिटी में थर्ड ईयर का स्टूडेंट हूँ। तो अभी पैंडेमिक की वजह से ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन सिस्टम चल रही है हर जगह, तो हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी में भी चल रही है। तो हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी में क्या था कि पहले से हम थोड़ा जानते थे, मतलब मूडल सिस्टम था। तो इससे क्या हुआ कि हम इसको पहले से हम करते आ रहे थे, तो हमको उतना ज़्यादा दिक्कत नहीं हुई। तो एक्चुअल में मूडल सिस्टम में क्या होता है कि जो भी आपको वर्क मिलता है टीचर्स के थ्रू, आप उसको कंप्लीट करके आप उसमें सबमिट कर सकते हैं इजीली। आपको इसके लिए टीचर की मतलब पास जाना नहीं पड़ेगा, और उस वर्क को आप मूडल सिस्टम में सबमिट कीजिए। टीचर के पास जब भी टाइम होगा वो आपका वर्क चेक कर देंगे। और वैसे ही टेस्ट होता है, टीचर को टेस्ट लेनी है तो वो सारे टेस्ट मूडल पे ही ले लेते हैं। तो इससे क्या होता है कि हमारे लिए हम काफ़ी कंफर्टेबल फील करते हैं। और जैसे कि जो ऑनलाइन लेक्चर्स की बात हुई, तो वो अभी के टाइम पे स्काइप के थ्रू ले ली जाती थी। तो जो भी ऑनलाइन लेक्चर्स होते हैं वो स्काइप के थ्रू ले लिए। उसके बाद वो जो लेक्चर्स है उनकी पीडीएफ हमारे मूडल पे आ जाती थी। तो इससे क्या होता था कि कभी भी हमें कुछ डाउट हुआ या हम उस लेक्चर्स को दोबारा पढ़ना चाहें, तो ये मूडल सिस्टम बहुत हेल्पफुल होता था। हम अपने मूडल पे अपनी आईडी, हर एक स्टूडेंट की मूडल पे एक आईडी होती है, आप अपनी उस आईडी को लॉगिन कीजिए और फिर उस पर आप जो भी सब्जेक्ट है, सपोज फिजियोलॉजी, फार्मा, तो उस सब्जेक्ट में जाके आप मतलब उस लेक्चर को दोबारा पढ़ सकते हैं। तो ये काफ़ी हेल्पफुल था हमारे लिए।
So I think after having said every such points, I think we will finish this live by showing the demonstration. Okay, so we will first know how they feel, other students. Okay, so yes, he has explained a lot of things regarding the online education. So I want to know, because online education usually starts up with lectures and seminars, and the students might just teacher comes and they just give their lectures and they go. So how the students are monitored? Are they given special tests, quizzes, puzzles, etc. in Moodle system? Can you explain about that?
Yes, good morning. My name is Shrest Prasad. I'm a third year student at Mari State University. So regarding our online education, all of our students were given this Moodle system right from the beginning. We used to have tests, online tests, exams, puzzles, everything, all type of tasks, including Moodle work, books, and special presentations and special videos. So right from the beginning, right from we started our education at Mari State University from the first year, we used to have classes we used to have classes offline. At that time there was no such thing as coronavirus, and we used to have to upload our given special tasks and special books on the eMoodle learning. But after this situation of the corona pandemic all across the globe, right now we have very fewer classes offline. Most of them are online. Teacher give the professor or the specific teachers or assistants, they give us specific tasks. For example, we have to appear in tests. Right now we are having tests of our semesters. We are appearing in tests. We are giving our task, our exams, each and everything. Apart from this, during our classes, since corona pandemic started very long ago, when it was our normal classes, the teachers used to call us, or they used to start their lecture session according to the timetable given from the universities. And university is very disciplined about the education and the timetable. They always act according to the schedule. The teachers, they have no delay, and the teachers are quite strict. It doesn't mean that if we are having online classes, then the teachers will be a little lenient about that. The teachers are quite stricter than before, I will say. More of all of the students are having a great time in education learning. The teachers, for example, whenever we have any practical sessions regarding any kind of nursing or any others of anatomy or any other physiological subject, the teachers, they give us, they make their own videos and they upload it into the Moodle system to show the student, to help the students understand better how this education system works, how the specific task needs to be done. And overall, I would say that even though there has been a corona pandemic, no doubt there has been losses all around the globe. Many people have suffered losses, lost their lives, lost their job, lost their home. I would say that there is been a little impact on the education system at Mari State University. Most of the students are having a normal education, even though they are at home, or students like us, we are in hostels. There has been no such problems regarding education. And overall, I would say that that's a very great point when it comes to education for a foreign medical student.
Yeah. So that's great. You have shared your own experience. So I think being in this situation, it's like the students won't lack their knowledge.
Yes.
In case of education. So I think it's a good platform that they have organized online education system to continue with our education without any problems, and to study in our safety places with all safety measures. So having said that, we will ask another question to you. Since a medical course is practical knowledge based, so how do you study all such materials in online?
In online, for every subject we have their own tasks and their own test. For example, now I'm in third year. I'll talk to you about my second year experience. For example, we had physiology, biochemistry, and so on. So in biochemistry subject, our teacher used to contact us through Skype or through Zoom. They used to take us the classes, and they used to teach us the particular topic. After the finishing of that topic, they used to tell us to submit the tasks, and we used to do it, and we used to submit it on our Moodle system. And after the task is completed, just to check our basic knowledge, he used to call us on Skype, and he used to ask us about he used to tell us about the Viva. We need to give Viva, and he used to grade us about according to it.
So according to this, online education system is also has proven to give practical knowledge also to its students, right?
Yes.
So you have a demonstration of dummies, and also you get a lot of videos for medical demonstrative videos, right? So yes, talking about another main point is yes, teachers come online, they give their lectures. Are they very patient? And because usually in online they rush up with a lot of groups. So as we all know, in offline classes, Mari State University provides students with student-teacher ratio, that is 15:1. So how in case of online? Is that they rush up with their portions, or are they very patient, or what? Yes.
This is Vaishnavi from Mari State Medical University of first year, and going to be the second year student in this pandemic year. So even teachers are considered as humans. They also get tired now. So yeah, they are too much patience too. There is one ma'am, psychology ma'am. She really takes very calm, quiet answers. Means how much ever we do mistakes, but still she expects us something to tell, which is reality, which is something example. Of course, psychology is all about us, which is about nature, which is the own thing happening within our surroundings. So teachers are very patient. Even if we get tired by taking classes, but still they are too much patience to teach by themselves. So I feel okay, let me not Like we should not irritate them too much by doing disturbance in Zoom classes. So it's better now.
Okay, that's great. So teachers also have their patience to teach their children. Yes, of course, having these all points discussed, and I also like wanted to question you all about like having like experiencing online education. There are certain issues where student might face like certain network issues, and you can't able to access the university website. Is there any such cases, or like anytime you can get access through this university website?
Yes, this university website system is available 24/7 year round, and whenever we want anything from the Moodle, or whenever we need to perform any particular task, the Moodle system is always available to us. Right at our fingertips. Actually, we have this Moodle system is available all across all platforms, PC, mobile, laptops, all around, even on Skype pads. So I believe that this Moodle system is quite actually helpful for us. Both social distancing and education are done at the same platform, same way.
Yes, you're right. And yes, as we all know, some students have left to India during their vacations and still haven't returned. So what about their education? Are they still continuing with their education with Mari State University, and how about that?
हाँ बिल्कुल, जो हमारे फ्रेंड्स इंडिया में हैं वो अपनी एजुकेशन कंटिन्यू किए हैं इस एजुकेशन ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म के थ्रू, और उनकी जो टाइम टेबल है और हमारी जो टाइम टेबल है बिल्कुल सेम है, कोई अंतर नहीं है। ऐसा कोई नहीं कि उनको बाद में पढ़ाया जा रहा है या हमें पहले पढ़ाया जा रहा है, बिल्कुल वो हमारे पैरेलल चल रहे हैं, साथ में हमारा सबका सिलेबस चलता है, साथ में सारी एग्जाम्स होते हैं, तो वो अपनी स्टडीज को वहाँ आराम से कंटिन्यू कर पा रहे हैं। हाँ, वहाँ थोड़ी कुछ फ्रेंड्स को ऑनलाइन के मतलब नेट की इशू होती है, तो उसके लिए जैसे कि हम टीचर्स को बोलते हैं कि हम MCQ करा ले सर, तो सर भी मतलब इस चीज को समझते हैं।
So teachers are also very flexible.
helpful for that.
Teachers are also very flexible with this online education system. So like they hear with the convenience of every student and they perform according to that, right?
Yeah.
So there's no issues with access to no matter what, whether the student is in Russia or whether he or she is in India, right? So yes, we discussed the most important points. I think now we just have a demonstration of how this online system works, okay?
तो जैसे कि हमारा मारी स्टेट मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी का ऑनलाइन सर्वर है, ऑनलाइन मॉडल है, तो आप जैसे इसमें अपना आईडी और पासवर्ड हर स्टूडेंट का होता है, आप इसको लॉगिन करें।
Okay, that's no problem. I think there's some network issues. So let's wait for the network issues to be solved. We will very soon we will log into the website and we will see how the system works. So I think it's a normal issues where when we are getting logging into the website and there might be some Wi-Fi disconnection or something. So I think it's like a normal thing. So let's wait and for the network connection to resume. So yes, it has resumed. So you have opened the website.
तो ये वेबसाइट ओपन हो गई है और ये हमारे सारे सब्जेक्ट्स हैं, आप देख सकते हैं, फर्स्ट ईयर, सेकंड ईयर, मतलब आपको हर ईयर के सब्जेक्ट मिलते जाएंगे। तो सपोज आपको पढ़नी है, हमारे यहाँ सपोज आपको करनी है नर्सिंग की क्लास, तो आप जनरल नर्सिंग केयर, आप इसमें गए, आप इसमें क्लिक किए, इसमें आपको सारे टास्क मिलेंगे, मतलब आपको जो भी टास्क आपको फर्स्ट ईयर से शुरू से लेके फाइनल तक जितने भी आपको एक ईयर में जितने भी टास्क होंगे वो सारे यहाँ पे दिए होंगे। तो आपको कुछ भी करना है, जैसे कुछ भी आपको जैसे जो भी टॉपिक है, इंटरनल मेडिसिन डिपार्टमेंट टॉपिक 3, तो आप इसमें क्लिक करेंगे। ये उसका PDF आपको सेव हो जाएगा।
So that's a good example to demonstrate our online education system. Yes, it's available and access to all its students, those who are like currently pursuing their medical course in Mari State University. So I think they don't have any issues with their education even in this pandemic situation. And yes, every material, every course and the entire study material is in English language. So yes, it's very beneficial for an Indian student. Yes. So yes, today we will finish with our live session. Thank you so much. Thank you, Roots Education.